everybody, I'm Ebony. This is Ebony's Creativity. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. I don't think this is the clearest that it's ever been, but I'm just coming to you really quick with this video because I'm over here doing a project and I thought, let me go ahead and just whip out my camera and film what I'm doing. This is going to be a very quick DIY, just something to give you an idea. If you watched my living room tour, you know that I just got some new couches. And it's been really difficult for me to find any throw pillows to match my new couch because the color is very unique. So I was browsing through Bed Bath & Beyond one day and I saw some placemats, these placemats. And I have 4 of them, but I'm gonna just show you one. And they look very emerald green on here, but in person they're the same teal kind of color as my couch. So this is the closest thing that I have found to matching my couch, and it matches pretty spot on. And I wanted some pillows to put on my accent chairs in my living room. You can check out my living room tour. It is on my channel if you have not seen it already, so you can know what I'm talking about. But I have 2 golden white accent chairs in my living room, and like I said, I haven't been able to find any chairs, so any pillows to put on the chair, so I just kind of put something to hold the place for now. But I wanted some pillows that would tie in my chairs and my couch, so I'm happy to have found these placemats. So I am going to be making pillows. These were a really good deal. They were on clearance for 99 cents, so love that price. So I got 4 and I'm going to be making 2 pillows. Going to be really quick DIY. Just thought I'd pop in to give you this in case you have a similar problem or you see some placemats that you like, you can make pillows out of them relatively quickly. So not going to find a better price than $2 per pillow. So went on ahead and grabbed this, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it into a pillow. I have this, I forget what this is called. It's like fabric stitching. Fabric stitch could be the name of it. I don't really remember. But I'm just gonna measure out some pieces, and this is just iron-on hemming. It's like hemming tape. If you go to the store to find it, just ask for hemming tape. But I think the name, I don't know why fabric stitch is stuck in my head, but that may or may not be the name of it. But anyway, I'm simply going to measure. Oh, let me do. I'm going to measure out 3 sides of this so that I can stuff it. You could use polyfill, you could use a pillow insert, whatever you have. Me, I just have a new pillow that I bought, and I'm just gonna cut it open and take the fill out of that. I'm telling you, this is a really spur of the moment project. So this is what I have right now. 3 sides have the hemming tape on them. I'm gonna take my other placemat. I'm gonna put them. I can put it down. And if you don't want to use this tape, hemming tape, if you have a glue gun, you can use that. Especially if the pillows are not going to be, like, this is not something this is strictly decorative. So you want to make sure that the tape is not visible. Pull it down just a smudge, and I want to make sure that this is all lined up really well. And because this fabric is like velvety, I don't want to burn it, so I'm not going to iron directly on it. I have another towel here, and I will just iron over top of this other towel with kind of a moderate heat but high steam. And just go around, making sure that the heat gets through. Alright, so now I have an opening here. I've got an old pillow that I've cut open, and now I can just kind of break part stuff in and put it in here. And I see some of my side popping out, but that's fine. I can go back and fix that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And if there is a difficult part to this DIY, securing the final edge is definitely it. I decided to use my glue gun instead of the iron-on method that I had been previously doing. Like I said, you can use that method, the glue gun method, for this whole project. The reason that I didn't is just because I didn't want any of the glue gun lines, and I didn't want it to be oozing out when I was pressing down the edges, but for one edge it's not so bad. I think using that stuff just gives a much cleaner look, but if you have a glue gun, you want to do it very carefully. It should work just as well, so that's another option for this project, like I said, but I think I've gotten that final edge secured, so I'm moving on. And here I'm just going back over the areas that popped open with my glue gun to secure those. Here I'm just going back over, looking over everything, making sure everything is all sealed up and looking pretty good. So voila, we have a $2 pillow made from placemats.